Hey future Germany students, welcome back to Global Uni Hub. I'm Jasleen, and if you're watching this, you're probably dreaming of studying in Germany, but feeling overwhelmed by the visa process. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today I'm going to walk you through the complete step-by-step process to get your Germany student visa approved without any rejection. We'll cover everything from selecting the right university in India to getting your resident permit in Germany. By the end of this series, you'll have a clear roadmap that has helped thousands of Indian students successfully move to Germany. So grab a notebook, hit that subscribe button, and let's make your German dream a reality. Before we dive deep, let me give you the big picture. The Germany student visa process has 8 main phases. First, pre-application preparation in India. This includes university research, document collection, and language tests. This typically takes 6 to 8 months, so start early. Second, university applications. You'll apply through either university portals directly or through UniAssist. The key here is applying to 6 to 8 universities to maximize your chances. Third, financial proof. Germany requires €11,208 in a blocked account. I'll show you exactly how to set this up without any hassles. Fourth, the APS certificate. This is mandatory for all Indian students and takes 4 to 8 weeks, so plan accordingly. Fifth, visa application and interview. This is where many students make mistakes. I'll share the exact documents you need and how to ace the interview. Sixth, travel preparation, from booking flights to packing essentials. Seventh, arrival in Germany, registration, bank account, and settling in. And finally, resident permit application, converting your visa to a long-term permit. The entire process takes 12 to 18 months, but with proper planning, you can make it smooth and stress-free. In the next videos, we'll dive deep into each phase with specific examples, document templates, and insider tips. Remember, Germany welcomes over 350,000 international students, and there's absolutely no reason you can't be one of them. If this overview was helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for the detailed videos coming up this week. Drop a comment below with your biggest concern about the Germany visa process, and I'll make sure to address it. And if you need professional guidance with your application, I highly recommend checking out globalunihub.com. They've helped thousands of students with university selection, document preparation, and visa success. Link is in the description. See you in the next video where we'll dive deep into university research and selection. Auf Wiedersehen!